As most of my coaches know, I moved across to Flodesk about a month, 6 weeks ago, and I absolutely love it. And they recently just made some changes, which I think is going to be even better. So you can go and check it out after. But what I want to share with you in this quick overview is how much I've been loving it and how I'm using it. And it may give you some ideas before you go and check it out. So as you can see here, it's on brand. Now it comes with templates. And you can go and use those templates, or you can do what I did, and I just created them from scratch. But I just wanted to share with you what I've been doing with it since I joined. So I love it that I can send people with images, or I can just do it with text only. And I've been testing which one works. And you can drag and drop and move everything around. But once you have your brand all set up, then you just duplicate it. So whenever I need a new one, I just go like this and I click duplicate. And then I just go in there and change the words, change the image. All the branding's done for me. All the formatting of the fonts and everything is all there. And then I just go and send it out to the group of people that I want to send it out, which is your audience. So I've set up my forms as well, which I absolutely love. And the thing I like about this too is you can have videos. So if you use, I think, Vimeo or YouTube, you can have a video at the top of your forms, and it's also set up on brand. So I've done a couple of layouts with the opt-in on the side, whereas I have this one where it's in the middle with a video on top. So they also have some templates that you can use, or you can design your own, which is the same, drag and drop. Now here's something, I'm not using checkouts, but a lot of people are raving about checkouts, and it's something that's new with Flodesk that people are absolutely loving. So if you sell products, digital products online, or even now they've just added subscriptions, then you can now sell directly, and they have all these great different templates for you to be able to just change, rebrand, add your images, see if you're doing a service, whether you're doing a freebie, or you can even go directly to checkout only. So this one platform, which used to just be an email CRM platform, now you can even sell from it. So people are absolutely loving that new feature as well. So I absolutely love the platform. I've only been using it for about 6 weeks. My students are coming across to it because they've seen what I'm doing, and they're loving how beautiful you can make your designs, and my open rate has really improved. It's doing really, really well. So I'm going to be really enjoying using this for the rest of 2025 and into 2026 and beyond. And I think you're going to love it too. So don't forget to go and check out the new pricing models. Choose the one that's perfect for you. And if you have any questions, I'll leave it in the comments below, and click on my promotional link and you get 25% off for the first year. Enjoy.